Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be going over the top 15 products that you need in your kit as a beginner makeup artist. But before we get into it, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you have not already to join the Slay Squad, because we be slaying over here. Okay, period. Check the makeup though. Like, y'all see the brows? Loving it. Yes. Eating down, okay? Ethan girlies up with this. Let's go ahead and get into this video. So this is in no particular order. We're gonna be going over the top 15 makeup products that you need in your kit as a beginner makeup artist. Let's get into it. Okay, first and foremost, you're definitely gonna need foundations for your kids. And for foundations, you can use any brand that you would like. I was just going with the L'Oreal True Match foundations, and these are the ones I have here. And you can start out with about 3 or 4 shades for each of your clients. If you only have a certain skin tone of clients, you could just stick with that. And then if you have a variety of clients, just get about 3 or 4 foundations so that you can mix and match to find a perfect shade. So next you're gonna need an eyeshadow palette, and I love this eyeshadow palette from Morphe. This is the 35U Golden Desert palette, and it comes with a variety of colors to choose from. So I'm loving this eyeshadow palette. You're definitely gonna need a mascara for your clients, and I got this one from the dollar store. You can really get an affordable one from the Dollar Tree. If you want to get like a more high-end one, you can go with like Maybelline and things like that, or you can just get a simple one from the Dollar Tree. You're definitely gonna need blushes. I love these blushes from Juvia's Place. I have volume 4 and volume 3. Love the blushes from Juvia's Place. They're super pigmented and the colors are so pretty. Yes. You're definitely gonna need bronzer and contour, and I love the ones from Juvia's Place in Deep and Tan. And these ones are super pigmented. Love everything from Juvia's Place. Super pigmented. So next, let's get into setting sprays. You're definitely gonna need some setting sprays for your clients. I love the Morphe setting spray because it just melts the makeup together. And then the One Size Until Dawn, this is gonna literally make your clients' makeup last all night. Probably even for 2 days. They're gonna be sleeping in their makeup. Next day, they're gonna be hearing you like, girl, I still got my makeup on. Okay, period. So next, you're gonna need a good setting powder, and I have the one from Huda Beauty in my kit currently, and this is Pound Cake. I also have these 2 banana powders from Revolution. So you just wanna make sure you have setting powder for each type of skin tone client that you may have. So next, let's get into primer. You're definitely gonna need a primer to prime your client's skin, and I got this primer from Ulta Beauty Collection. You can get any primer. You can get the e.l.f. primer, you can get the Nessa Mavericks primer, you can get primer from any brand. So just make sure you get you a primer. Next, let's get into concealers. You're definitely gonna need a variety of concealers for your makeup kit. And I have all of these different type of shades in my kit. And I got these from Win Beauty, and they were on sale. Of course, I definitely had to add these to my kit. So yeah, you might could find some more of Win Beauty products at Ulta Beauty. They're gonna be on sale more than 75% off. When I got mine, they were 75% off. And these days, they're trying to like clear the stock. So I'm sure they're gonna have a discount. I seen them for like $3 and I paid like $6 for mine. I was like, now why? I should have waited to get mine, but they probably wouldn't have had enough. But yeah, I got like 5 different concealers. I got some for like lighter skin tone and then more medium skin tone. So yes, make sure you get your concealer, and you can get concealer from any brand. I love Juvia's Place concealer. I like Fenty Beauty concealer. I like Born This Way concealer. I have not even tried these Win Beauty concealers yet, but I did hear great reviews about them, so we gonna definitely see what they giving when I get some clients. So y'all, as I said, these products are in no particular order, so let's get into the next product you're gonna need, which is highlight. Love me some highlights, and I love the one from Wet n Wild. You can also get one from Revolution. And then also, NYX has some really pretty highlights as well. Get you a highlight from NYX. You can get one from Revolution or Wet n Wild. Just make sure you get you a highlight for your clients, because the girlies love a good highlight. Like, I love a good highlight on my nose. I just can't live without it. So make sure you definitely get your hands on a highlight, okay? Yes. Okay, next let's get into lip pencils. You're definitely gonna need a variety of lip pencils for your clients. And I love getting the Morphe lip liners. They are very pigmented. I also have NYX lip pencils and one from, yeah, so NYX and Morphe has the good lip pencils, so make sure you get you some good lip liners for your clients. And then also lipstick. Get you a few different colors of lipsticks for your clients to choose from. I also got some lipsticks from Win Beauty. This color is really, really pretty, loving it. So you just gotta make sure you stock up on some lip sticks so that your lip combo for your clients is gonna eat, like literally eat down. I have one in a few different colors, so lip combos for my clients is literally gonna eat, especially with the red. Yes, love it. And these were about $3, so they were super, super affordable. So yeah, make sure you check out Win Beauty. You can get lipstick from any company. You can get it from Maybelline, any beauty brand. If you wanted more of a lip gloss, you can get the lip glosses, the butter glosses from NYX. You can get each shade, every shade that they got. Mostly the girlies like a pink lip or like a nude lip. Maybe you could try to get like a red one, but yeah, get you these lip balms, the butter lip balms from NYX. 10 out of 10 recommend. So next, you're gonna need some lashes for your clients. And I got like a big old bulk of lashes. This is like a lash tray with a bunch of different styles. And I got this from Shein, so make sure you get you a bunch of different variety of lashes for your clients, because you just never know what type of lashes they're gonna like. They might like the big ones, they might like the small ones, more natural. So just make sure you have a variety of lashes to choose for your clients. So next, you're definitely gonna need a good moisturizer for your clients, and you can get any brand of moisturizer. I like the one from La Roche-Posay. Love this one. I also love the one from Bioma. I have like a small travel size Bioma. Okay, y'all, we about to wrap up this video with the last and final thing that you're gonna need, which is disposable items. You must have disposable items in your kit. We gotta be clean, we gotta be sanitary, okay? So get you this big pack of disposable items. I got it from Shein. You can probably get it from Amazon, and it just comes with a variety of disposable items. Like, you got your disposable mascara wands, you got your disposable lip applicators, and then it also comes with like this thing right here where you could use for like eyeliner, or you can use this for lash glue, or you can use it for eyeliner. But yeah, just get you a big old thing of disposable items along with some powder puff. You're definitely gonna need a big old thing of powder puffs for your clients, and these came from Shein. You can probably get it from Amazon, anywhere. Just make sure you get you some disposable. These are disposable. You cannot reuse these on different clients, so make sure you get you some powder puffs, and then make sure you get you this container of disposable mascara wands and disposable lip applicators. And then you're also gonna need one of these palettes along with a spatula. So when you're doing makeup, you put everything on this metal tray. You never want to just dig out of the original container. You always wanna be sanitary and use a spatula and a palette for your makeup. Okay, girl, that pretty much wraps up this video. If you feel like this video was helpful, let me know down in the comments. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you have not already, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.